Joanna here. Welcome to my 10-minute Pilates Burn series. I have a cardio routine for you. Go ahead and let's get started. We're gonna start in a wide plie position with some plies and some breathing. So toes out, make sure your heels are in line, neutral spine position. And now here we go. Inhale, deep plie, up and down. Inhale, deep. Exhale. It's the same intervals, 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off. 10 exercises will be done in 10 minutes. Nicely done. We'll be doing plie pulses and violet arms. We're going to switch the arms. Here we go. Keep breathing. It's a lot on the legs. How is your heart rate? Mine is up. Keep breathing, almost there. And great, nicely done. Arms in front of you. We're going to be doing plie and twist, plie and twist. Here we go. Same position of your arms, just in front of your chest. Plie and twist, plie and twist. Try to keep your hips forward and twist just the upper body. Great, nicely done. Inhale up, arms going W. One more plie and twist variation. Plie and twist, plie and twist. And tap, and tap. And breathe. Great, nicely done. We're gonna include the arms now, same thing. But we're gonna add flying arms. Here we go. Plie and twist, plie and twist, and arm lift. Well done. Now we're gonna include one more thing here, leg lift. Same thing, ready? And plie and twist, plie and twist, and leg lift. Leg lift. Find your balance. Go with the flow. Breathe and go. And rest. Okay, shake your legs, shake your arms, standing crisscross. Here we go. One side only, opposite elbow and knee. And switch. Relax your breathing and ready to repeat the same thing for the other side. Here we go. Remember, one side is always harder. Don't get discouraged if you struggle with your balance. Just keep trying, keep pushing, and you'll get there. Don't forget, exhale. Exhale, engage your abs. Great, nicely done. Last two exercises. Standing, straight leg and straight arm, crisscross. Here we go, it's gonna be a little bit harder. And cross, and cross. Your last exercise, we're going to simply repeat it for the other leg and arm, and we'll be done for today. For this 10 minutes cardio Pilates routine. Okay, well done. Last one. The other arm, the other leg. Find your balance. Here we go. "20 seconds and we'll be done." And rest. And Well done, everyone. Great, you did a fantastic job today. Thank you very much for joining me in this 10-minute cardio Pilates routine. You can combine this workout with any other of my Pilates videos. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you next time. Be good, feel good, and stay active.
His presence don't really come for free. Your paychecks don't mean that much to me. Just take my hand.